Hold on, can I get it?
Where am I? This is the place where I belong. I guess this is the place where you're gonna have to do some water hardcore. Hold on one second.
Well, let's walk to you.
Alright, do you see any cool references? That does not count. That's not even parkour.
I wasn't doing parkour.
Trying to get it. Yeah, let's go, Kyle.
When the sky falls. Oh shit, those are funny.
Might end at a minute.
Come on, come back. Do parkour back. Do it. Come on. For YouTube.
I'm so gonna freaking fail. Recording me. This always happens if someone's recording.
Do it. Do it and you're cool.
He's a daredevil, guys.
Why do you always do it vertically? Or horizontal? Come on, Kyle. We're not close enough to get a good shot. Oh my gosh, it's actually pretty cool.
Oh, that hurt my stomach. Shit. My fucking shoes!
What happened?
My shoes, for God's sake!
Oh, Kyle, show them to the camera. Are those brand new?
2 months. That's considered brand new to you?
This is professional.
Thank you for watching.
Kyle, do your grand finale.
Ah, shit!
Do something
You're
really
so-
cool.
Grand finale, Kyle.
Kyle, do that trick I was talking about.
This is the end.
Kyle, run across that. Run as fast as you can. Try to take only 2 steps.
breasts. No.
Try to take only 2 steps.
He broke his stick.
Oh
That
man,
sucks.
my camera's accidentally.
When the sky falls.
Would he land in the water?
Right. This is the dumbest stunt of all time. Oh, this is really sad. Hold your breath and count.
Do it, Kyle. Don't use that. Come on, do it. Do it. This would be.
He just dunked his foot in the water.
Kyle, jump across. Come on, do it. You have so much landing. There's Luke. No, come on, do it quick. Luke can join us.
From where?
There to there.
There.
That's not smart.
Yes, it is.
There's like a little
Yeah,
area.
it's smart. It's pure smart.
There's an area over there where
Kyle,
you can
come on.
land.
Kyle, do it for us. Kyle, jump. 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 Come on,
Jump.
Jump.
Jump. Jump.
Ow, that freaking hurt. These new shoes are probably shit. Oh, rising from the darkness. Thank you for watching.